We've got a returning customer today, his name's Cam. We're going to run through what's in this vehicle, and then we're going to take Cam for a drive, get an initial reaction, take it from there. So here's what we've done to your vehicle. You have 50mm lift, and you've got front and rear adjustable suspension. You've also got our Outback Armour up control arms. They just help with wheel alignments. You don't have the new tyres and wheels yet, but when you do, got to make sure they wear nice and even and keep the longevity of those things. Should we go for a drive?
Let's do it.
All right.
Yeah, it feels great, real sturdy, definitely stuck to the road. Heaps more than before. I think next on the list is definitely some new wheels, some bigger tyres. Initial thoughts, loving them. This is my second vehicle with Outback Armour. Had it in my Hilux, the adjustables as well. I didn't adjust it a whole lot in the Hilux, it was pretty comfy. Sitting on that midway, but just knowing if I ever did need to adjust it, I have the option to. So yeah, I used to work at BCF, so I love absolutely everything to do with the outdoors. Bought the Prado, wanted to do some longer trips. Obviously coming back from Darwin, it was a bit of an eye-opener to see what's in my own backyard. So I'm pretty keen to get up there, potentially a Cape trip at the end of the year. I know a few boys from BCF, it's always been in the group chat, but never had a chance to get out there and do it. So yeah, stoked. Happy to get out there. Let's do it. You.